Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Afang soup. We are going to use 3 types of protein in preparing this soup. Then I have my beef and my cow head meat with my towel meat, which is the belly meat. Then I had my crayfish, my stockfish, and my dry fish, and my periwinkle in preparing this delicious soup. You can see my meat is well cooked already. Then I added my stockfish and my dry fish. Next is my periwinkle. It's well cut and washed. It's very neat. Then I added it to my meat. Next is my Maggi cube. Then and my onions. Then I added my crayfish, blended crayfish. With my dry pepper. Then I have to stir it very well. You can see it's well cooked. Then I come in with my palm oil. Then I cover it to cook for a minute. And I added my water leaf. And I have to stir it very well. So I then cover it to cook. Next is to add my afang. It's well cut and blended in the market. I added crayfish and habanero pepper. And after stirring it, I have to cover it. You can see how my afang soup well cooked and delicious to eat. You can use fufu, you can use semovita, you can use gari, you can use pandeyam. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and thumbs up this video and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.